green versus Jumbo Josh. They look the exact same. Now we have purple versus OPILA Bird. They look really similar too. Red versus Bonbon. Wow! What was that big noise? What happened? Oh no, Jumbo Josh is going crazy! Oh no, family, who's gonna win? Jumbo Josh or Huggy Wuggy? No, Huggy Wuggy! Garten of Banban versus Rainbow Friends versus Poppy Playtime. Who is gonna win? What, baby Nuggy?
Obviously, Garten of Banban is gonna win.
No! I think it's gonna be Poppy Playtime. And actually, it's Garten of Banban, not Banban.
How about I ban you in the head?
Oh, baby Nuggy! Ow! Family, does your baby Nuggy at home act like this? I think mine has gone crazy! Family, smash like on today's video if you think Garten of Banban's gonna win. And comment down below if you think Rainbow Friends or Poppy Playtime is gonna win. And if you don't see me tomorrow and I suddenly disappear, I guess baby Nuggy wins. Ah! Alright, here we have Poppy Playtime inside of Playtime Code, just chilling out and minding their own business. But wait a second, family. Did we just hear something really suspicious coming from over there? Oh! Oh! Oh no! Who the chicken nugget is that? Oh no! I think it's Garten of Banban! And I don't think the Poppy Playtime characters like it. So here you have it, family. Garten of Banban versus Poppy Playtime. The ultimate battle. Battle number 1, here we go. What's that? Rainbow Friends! Wait, what? Did he just point to a picture of Bonbon? What's going on? Kid smiley face? Wait a second, family. Why does that super suspicious bottle with that super suspicious juice in there have the word kid on there? Do you think it's something bad? Or maybe it's a big bottle of apple juice? Yeah! No wonder it says kid on there. Thank you, Red from Rainbow Friends. Garten of Banban. Kids only! Whoa, look, it's the kid apple juice! Blue and pink are gonna drink it! What the chicken nugget just happened? Blue and pink drank the special juice and boom! Now they're kids. Family, comment down below, pow pow, as the secret word of today's video, and me and Baby Nuggy will heart your comment. Wow! Now they can go into the kids only zone! Wait, why does that music look spooky? Wow! They made it to Bonbon! Oh no! It looks spooky! And he's chasing them! Run! Run! Bonbon just grew giant horns! Oh no! The Rainbow Friends are about to get eaten! Wait, are they safe now? Oh, my chicken nugget. Bonbon just turned into liquid! Oh no, Baby Nugget, what's happening? No, Bonbon, no! They turned spooky Bonbon into a baby. What's that? Are those lollipops? Yay! Bonbon is a baby and now we gave him yummy candy. Uh-oh. Oh no. Now he wants more candy! Oh! I think Blue has a little bobo. Or that giant rug just smushed his face into a pancake. I don't know. At least Bonbon's happy with the candy. Garten of Banban wins! Next round is Garten of Banban versus Poppy Playtime! Baby Nuggy, is it still gonna be called Poppy Playtime if they're gonna be fighting? To me, it sounds more like Poppy Pow Pow time. Oh no! Whose house is that? Oh, it's Jumbo Josh and OPILA Opila bird! And family! Jumbo Josh and Opila Bird are playing Poppy Playtime on the computer! Maybe they're not gonna fight Poppy Playtime after all! They are just playing the game at home. Family, what the chicken nugget just happened? Jumbo Josh and Opila Bird are inside Playtime There's Ban. And he's watching everybody on the computer! Wait. What's gonna happen? Are Jumbo Josh and Opila Bird safe? Oh no, it's Huggy! And now they just fell into a giant hole! Oh no, they're doomed! Wait, did some hands just catch them? How did they get safe? Whose hands are those? I am very confused. Oh no, whosever hands those are, they're grabbing Jumbo Josh and Opila Bird! No, it's Bobby Longlegs! Oh no, she looks mad. No, Mommy, no! She stole them! And I think Kissy Missy and Huggy Wuggy are mad. Families, this round Poppy Playtime wins! Now that is 1 point for Garten of Banban, 1 point for Poppy Playtime, and 0 points for the Rainbow Friends. But don't worry, family, we still have super crazy rounds left! So your favorite game can still win! Now we have Garten of Banban versus Poppy Playtime! And family, this one might be a little bit spooky. So grab your baby nuggies and squeeze them super tight. You might end up closing your eyes for this one.
Kids are missing on this facility, Banban Kindergarten, and they're the reason for the disappearances.
What?
The Banban gang.
I'll go there.
It's not safe to be there. I'll come with you, Huggy Wuggy.
Don't go there! That's why kids are missing!
Don't forget me. Count me in, guys.
Boxy Boo? He wants to go too? Oh, that's a bad idea.
Boxy Boo, you check left. Mommy Longlegs, you go right. Be safe, my fellow Playtime guardians.
Oh no! They're gonna go inside!
Too quick. I spotted someone already.
Who? Who did you see?
Huh. I can be that guy. He's too small for him. Huh?
Ah, it's Jumbo Josh! Oh!
Too
Oh,
slow,
no.
Jumbo Josh.
You're so mean!
I can win this easily. He's just all strength but no brains.
Oh no, Jumbo Josh is going crazy! Huggy Wuggy just did something weird.
Just a little more and he'll fall down.
Oh no, family, who's gonna win? Jumbo Josh or Huggy Wuggy? No, Huggy Wuggy.
Huggy Wuggy?
Wait,
Come on. Leaving already?
there's Banban. There's Boxy Boo! What? To be continued. Mr. Movie Maker, sir, I wanted to see the rest of that video. Cool. I blame Baby Nuggy. He probably told the movie maker to stop because he was hungry and needed a snack break. Ban vs. Boxy Boo might not be finished, but Jumbo Josh vs. Huggy Wuggy, Jumbo Josh won! So that is another point for Garten of Banban. They win this round! Next round is Garten of Banban vs. Rainbow Friends. Again? Question mark? Wait, where did Garten of Banban go? There's the Rainbow Friends. They're back! They're back! Red is here, and Garten of Banban is like, what the heck are you doing here? Uh-oh. Wait, why was somebody screaming? What's going on? Look, It's green versus Jumbo Josh. They look the exact same. Now we have purple versus OPILA bird. They look really similar too. Red versus Bonbon. Wow! What was that big noise? What happened? Explode? Oh no! They got a little toasty in the fire. Wait, there's orange and is he wearing Stinger Flynn as a hat? Oh no! Orange, I know you're always hungry all the time looking for a snack. That doesn't mean you can put Stinger Flynn on your head just because he's seafood. He is not an all-you-can-eat sushi buffet. So take him off your head and maybe wipe your head down after, because it's probably very slimy from his skin. Family, the Rainbow Friends win that round! 2 points Garten of Banban, 1 point probably Playtime, and 1 point Rainbow Friends. And we only have 1 video left. And family, this last round is the craziest round yet because it's Garten of Banban versus Rainbow Friends versus Poppy Playtime! All 3 fighting together. Oh, wait, what's that? Was that Boxy Boo? Ban, old friend, can you help me? I did something terrible with my creations before I oofed Huggy! Now I'm sorry I oofed them. I might get oofed by my boss for resurrecting them, but I don't care. Please, Ban. Nothing better than sharing our skills to help the oofed. Isn't that right, Jumbo Josh? Yes, of course. With your science and my intelligence, they will be new again! Oh, there's a clock. Time is ticking. Wait, and there's Blue! Why is he on the wall? They are almost new again. It will end with the resuscitation. Hold them and I'll get the last vial to make the cure. But don't even think about putting the bottles together. Bonbon! Hey, just put the bottles together! Green, purple, orange are the secondary colors, and with that, what the chicken nugget happened to the colors? Oh, they're all changed! Oh no, Bonbon, look what you've done! By some miracle, we didn't change the color! Oh, actually we did. Oh, Bonbon changed colors too! Me and Screech weren't affected because we're not vibrant colors. Oh no, Purple, what happened to your colors? Why are you looking like me? Uh-oh, family. Looks like little Bonbon did a little mixy mix with some special chemical potions. Now all the colors of the Rainbow Friends and the Garten of Banban characters are mixed. But family, the colors of these characters might have switched. But aren't they supposed to be fighting? Who is gonna win this crazy battle if nobody's fighting? There has to be a cure to put the colors back in their place. But wait a second, if we all change colors and the potion says that someone turns into a robot, who becomes the animatronic? Well, I don't know. You have 4 arms, Jumbo Josh. What? Oh! What happened? What happened to Jumbo Josh? Oh! It was Huggy Wuggy. It was him. He was the one who turned into the robot. And he ate Jumbo Josh, who also kind of looks like Red from the Rainbow Friends. But Jumbo Josh is from Garten of Banban, so that means Poppy Playtime ate both Garten of Banban and Rainbow Friends. Poppy Playtime wins! They win the whole competition! Yeah!
Whee! Chicken nuggets for everyone!
Or you can get your own baby chicken nugget at shopalexia.com. If you liked today's video, smash like and smash subscribe. Don't forget to turn on all post notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Me and Baby Nuggy love you so much. And we'll see you all in the next video.